reminisce on memories, cause we're gone. Don't forget to hold back your thoughts and live